Means of transport. Means of transport are the mode of transport to travel or move goods from one place to another. There are three types of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transports are BUS, bus, TRAIN, train, SCOOTER, scooter, CAR, car, TRACTOR, tractor. Water transports are SHIP, ship, SUBMARINE, submarine, SAILBOAT, sailboat, YATCH, yacht. Air transport are AEROPLANE, aeroplane, HELICOPTER, helicopter, HOTAIRBALLOON, hot air balloon, CABLE, CAR, cable car.